Hi, this is Eric, the Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the fine filter on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new fine filter for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The fine filter is part of the dishwasher's filtration system, which is responsible for trapping and collecting food particles, debris, and other contaminants during the wash cycle to optimize cleaning performance. If the fine filter becomes clogged or damaged, water may not circulate or filter properly, which can lead to poor cleaning performance. This repair can be completed with your dishwasher installed. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Then fully extend the lower dish rack and lift it up and out. To remove the fine filter, we'll first need to remove the coarse filter. The coarse filter is located here on the tub of the dishwasher. To remove, rotate it counterclockwise while pulling up. The fine filter is located here on the tub of the dishwasher. To remove, slide it towards the front of the dishwasher and lift it up and out. If you need to purchase a new fine filter, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, align the fine filter to the tub of the dishwasher and slide it into place. Next, align the coarse filter to the hole in the fine filter and set it into place. Then, rotate the filter clockwise until it locks. Now, align the wheels on the lower dish rack to the grooves on the door and set it into place. Finally, push the dish rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.